Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. As we will use Node MCU for IoT, so here inshallah I will use two Node MCUs. They are ESP8266 and ESP32. We will use here Arduino IDE compiler for Node MCU. For that we have to install an external package to enable all Node MCU boards. There's here Arduino MCU 8266 GitHub. So we will get a GitHub link here. Wi-Fi chip. This is the latest version. So board manager link, documentation. So we have to copy this link. You see, I'm going to copy this link. So now we have to paste the URL under preferences and additional board manager URLs. Paste it here. If we want to use more than one URL, that time we have to use comma here and then paste the another URL. So, and show verbose output during compile and upload, check both. Okay, and now from tools, under board, just Arduino AVR boards are available. So we have to add here two packages for ESP8266 and ESP32. So now let's install the package. Sorry, ESP8266. You see the result is showing, and I'm going to install it. It will take some time, so keep patient. Installed. Now we have to search here for ESP32. Install this. The process is being started. In the meantime, we can see here, you see the ESP8266 new package has appeared here, and now the ESP32 is being installed. Have patience. And the package Arduino ESP32 boards is now available. You can, if you don't know how to avail all these packages. And now let's get in hardware part.
This is ESP32 dev kit. So we have to use here type C port. So I'm just inserting the type C port. You see the LED is glowing, and now let's get in computer.
Boards ESP32 dev, but no port is showing here. To fix this issue, now let's get in the device manager. The device manager. So see, the device is showing, but we need to install a drive. 2102 driver for Windows 11. See, I'm unzipping this. Update driver, browse my computer, desktop, and this is the driver. Successfully updated your driver. You see, driver is showing it is in COM3. So now our port should be in COM3. You see, now the port is available. Sketch from example. We can use a basic example blink. So here built-in LED has been selected as output pin. So let's upload the code. Before uploading, I would like to see ESP32 dev module port COM3, all okay. I think now we can upload the sketch. Your LED built-in was not detected in this scope. Better we can use pin number 2 as output. So just 2, it should work now. Done uploading. So I hope you see the output. This is now.
So you see we have successfully uploaded the sketch just for the ESP32, and now I will show you. This is now 8266.
Okay, and we have to select our ESP8266. We will upload the same sketch. And now it is uploading. You see the
LED is blinking. In this video we have clearly learned how to prepare Arduino IDE for ESP32 and ESP8266. All for now. Take care everybody.